What's that? Huh? What? Yeah. Look at me. Look. Okay. Today's video is gonna be a short video, but that's just to get started. We're gonna have some cotton plant. It's yeah, $1.89, $1.89 basically. You can tell right here on the top corner, right there. Anyways, I'm gonna put in this. I already got the dirt, so we'll go outside for that. We'll plant in here. When it gets so big to a point where it doesn't, I should take it out. Then that will be in the next video because it's downstairs. In the meantime, this is what I got now. Let's put this so it won't fly away. I'll show you my plants. This is the dirt I got. Well, giving me some tips and tricks for a mint plant. But anyways, in the description below, comments below, sorry. So yeah. Let me know what your input is. And thank you for watching my videos. As always, you know who I am, the Kid KS. This plant here is sweet mint. And this here is growing quite a bit, just a little bit. Because when I started growing this, it was not too small, but just a little bit. So it grew quite a bit. I didn't do a video on it, but you can go check out the Home Depot video to check out how small it was before. Peppermint. Okay, and then it's kind of hard because of the caterpillars that I took off. Hopefully they won't bite my plants anymore. But today we will go to get some spray, which yeah, get some spray. That doesn't look too good, the roots of it or the bottom part of it here. But anyways, and I will be putting water in here pretty soon because I haven't did that yet. It's all dry here. Anyways, and we got some food going. Well, one I guess is better than none, but anyways, right here, some food growing. And excuse me for my hands, but anyways, just to show you. It's gonna be a short video because I know you don't like long videos. Obviously, it's not doing good on my channel, but anyways, here we go. It's all dry, and yeah, this one's nice and wet, I think. Yeah, this one don't need water. So this one is called jalapenos, or how you pronounce it. Let me put this down so you can see better. Zoom out. There you go. Well, you get the point, right? Sorry for the blurriness. This one is the hot banana plant. Good for pizza and meals that you can eat and put in your food with. Man, I can't wait to get that. I had this before, and I'll show you the plants out there. And this one is apparently getting eaten up because it has holes right here. Oh, small baby one. And I can't find it. snap. I hate that. Any tips on that? On when a caterpillar eats your leaves? Let me know in the description below, or give me a link to the product that you want. Not you want, but like that you use for caterpillars. Has to be organic. And this one is the one I messed up when I bought it, because I thought it was banana, because they mixed up the labels. So we'll see about this one, if it's this, or if it's the banana plant. Hot banana. They're very good, man. Anyways, so from right here, as you see, hopefully it's no ants. Anyways, right here, let's see if I can zoom in. Like the very bottom here, like all right here, I just take the leaves off so the growth will come up. Well, I know you're killing the leaves, so you can't grow the leaves back, but see this one right here. So yeah, I just like to cut them off, cut it or peel it, or however you want to call it. And yeah, but that's not gonna. That's whatever. I'm kind of out of it today. So right here, as you know, it is called. Got a bunch of aloe vera plants, which I should have removed them, but I don't have time to do that right now, because the main subject for this video is cotton. So here we go. Oh, I forgot scissors. I will go get that real fast and come back. Which one should I use? Okay, use this one, I guess. Oh, and water. Take water too, I guess. We got basil too. Basil and purple basil, cinnamon basil, and regular basil, but we're not gonna do that right now. They're all in jars. Yeah, I know, I'm going slow. So here we go. And I do got some cotton from this seeds. It's in a jar. So I'm gonna set this down, because I know I can't. Well, maybe I can. I don't know. I'm gonna set this down, this camera down, put on pause. When I cut right here, I'll unpause it, so then you'll see me pouring it right there. Okay? Kind of hard with one hand, and I'm on the person that's doing this for you. Well, actually, to show you the progress of what I do when I'm kind of bored right now. So, anyways, here we go. I decided not to pause it so you can listen to the birds. And now you can't see right now, but I'll show you in a little bit. Okay. There we go. See the dirt? Yeah, cut it as you see and put it in there now. Someone do that more? I can't tell. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, there you go. There you go. You can see the dirt. I'm gonna do it until halfway, and then I'll show you the video. I mean the progress what I did. So I'm gonna put you back over here for a second. Sorry. I just don't want no wind to blow my phone off. That's the only one I got. But hope you're having a blessed day. So here we go. Sorry for my hands. I was holding seeds. So there you go. There. Gonna pack it down a little bit. Gonna pack it down a little bit. And I can put like, let's see how many. I probably could put like 3 in there. And I'll say maybe 4. Snap. I'll put you back over here for a second. Sorry. I just I don't have a staff on my phone. So yeah. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got 4. Okay. So there you go. We got a hole. Got a hole right there in the middle. I'm gonna put these 4 seeds, and we are going to see if they grow. And if they do, you will see a video for that. So there you go. 4 seeds. Well, one's in the shade, and there's 3 right there. So there you go. I'm gonna cover it. As you see this now. Any tips or tricks, let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, that's where the birds are at. So yeah, here's the water. I'll show you, so you know, I'm showing you the bottled water, tap water basically. Can see, so hopefully you do. Hopefully you guys and people can see. So yeah, let's go leave it right here. Anyways, here's the birds. I can't really see because let me see where they're at. Let's try to find them. I'll put on pause, so then if I find them, then I'll unpause it. Well, I couldn't find the birds, but I found a nest. Right there. And if you can't see it, sorry for my fingers, I'm showing you. It's right there. So maybe I'll do a video on that. Let's go closer. Sorry, it's not focused. It's on the phone. Oh, that's good. There you go. That's cool. Maybe I'll do a video on that if I see a birds. Okay. Well, anyways, this is it for this video. And this is what kind of soil I use. And I couldn't find the birds. So, sorry about that. So, yeah, that's the kind of soil I use. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video. And, yeah. Like and subscribe. Like always. That's all my fans. Support me. And we'll do great things in life. And also, we'll do great things together as a subscriber and be my family. Subscribe and be my family too, alright? Alright, I wish you all healthy, love, be safe, and peace out. This is the Kid KS. Hope you like this video and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me because the #1 goal is to make people happy, right? Anyways, later. And sorry about the birds right now, but when I see them on the nest, I'll take pictures of it or video if I can. Alright, later, bye bye. Peace. Subscribe. Come on now. What you waiting for? You still here on this video? Still seeing me, huh? Well, come on. Alright, thank you. I know I'm not begging. I don't like to beg. But anyways, be safe and healthy. Here's one more look at the nest. It's a nice day out too. Let's just show you the sky real fast. Nice, beautiful day. Alright. Like and subscribe, share. I don't care what you do with the video, as long as I get some good hits. Support me, love me, help me. Comments, hate comments, doesn't matter. You know why? It helps me, gives me feedback. Anyways, when I get more stuff out of this tree, I'm gonna call it a little tree, little bush, whatever. And that's when I'll let you know. Alright. Anyways, when this grows, that's gonna be a video right there. The next video, part 2. Alright, later. Bye bye. Thank you for your support.